Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Google Data Studio with Excel. Now this is also called Looker Studio, so just keep that in mind. Now here from the left hand panel, just go ahead and click on Create and then click on Data Source. And from here under Google Connectors, you will actually see Microsoft Excel. Okay, just go ahead and click on this, and then all you need to do is either click here and upload file, right, to browse through a file explorer, or you can drag and drop a Excel file. So I'll go and drag and drop this right here. And as you can see, it is currently uploading the file and it's just about done. There you go. And now I'll show you how we will be able to use this after they process the file. File has been successfully processed. Okay. And now we get these options. So this is the file, this is the sheet, and make sure that we are either including the entire worksheet, or if you have a specific range, go ahead and toggle this one. I'll just do the entire worksheet. Make sure these two are toggled on. Use first row as headers for sheet or range, and include the hidden and filtered cells. Okay, then come to the top right and click on Connect. And then we will be able to use this data that we are importing right now into a report. Just make sure the dimensions are correct, the metrics are correct, and they actually match with the type. So let's say this was something that was supposed to be a date. Then you would have the type set as date and time. Okay. Now, since this is sessions, it's okay. We'll leave it at numbers. And then all you need to do is come at the top right and click on Create Report. And then it will open a report in a new tab for you. And I'll actually show you how we can use the data to create things like charts and other things. So I'll come here, click on Add to Report, and come here and click on Add a Chart. So we can use a scorecard first. I'll choose that and place it right here. And as you can see, it is using record count as the metric. And let's go ahead and add a pie chart as well. I'll place it right here. And the pie chart is using the session sources, okay, and the record counts, as you can see right here, okay? And if you want to see what your data is, you can see all of these. These are the data sets we have. And as you can see, it is using the Excel file. Really that easy and simple.